Solid advice and tips about dog care. Dogs are unlike any other animals you can own as a pet. They love you unconditionally, cheer you up when you are down, and want you to love them as much as they do you. This video will tell you how to make your dog's life as amazing as it deserves it to be. If the cost of your dog's high-quality food is a burden for your family, team up with another one and buy in bulk. The big-name pet store chains offer top-rated names in pet cuisine at a significant discount when bought in the larger quantities. You can minimize the cost for you and some friends while still providing your dogs with fresh and wholesome meals. Your dog has teeth just like you, so it makes sense that he needs proper dental care. Invest in a dog toothbrush and brush his teeth often. Simply allowing the vet to do it at his regular checkups is not enough. You can also purchase treats that are specifically meant to help with your pet's teeth. Avoid impersonating a medical professional when it comes to your dog's health. In an attempt to save money, many people try to diagnose their pet's conditions or use human treatments on various elements, and that can be very dangerous to the animal. If you can't afford full vet care, tell that to the doctor and ask their advice anyway, or if they could arrange a payment plan for you. Your dog needs a dog house if he or she has to remain outside in cold weather. Exposure to extreme weather for long periods can cause health issues, particularly if the dog's feet get wet. Protect them from precipitation and wind by providing them a dry and spacious shelter. All of these hints are now at your fingertips, so it is time to make use of them. Take them each, one by one, and start using them every day. The more you change about your dog's life, the better it will be overall. A happy dog makes for a happy owner, after all. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.